Did you notice what's happening here? While retail keeps staring at the top 10 like that's the whole market, the infrastructure players are quietly lining up exit ramps into traditional capital markets, and that's usually the signal the cycle is rotating. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Bitpanda, reportedly backed by Thiel, is being linked to a Frankfurt IPO, targeting roughly a 5B valuation in the first half of 2026. If that timeline is real, it's not just another exchange story. It's Europe signaling it wants regulated, publicly traded on-ramps for digital assets. That matters because IPO narratives compress attention. Capital that was previously scattered starts concentrating around what institutions can justify buying. And in the current tape, that's the problem. Bitcoin hovering around the mid-90Ks and the market chopping in a tight range tells you liquidity is cautious, waiting for a catalyst. When price stalls, the wealth gap widens. Insiders position early, retail waits for confirmation, and then pays the premium after the headline hits. This exact bottleneck is where the real money is moving right now, building around Bitcoin without being trapped by Bitcoin's base layer limitations. That's why we've been tracking Bitcoin Hyper, a Bitcoin Layer 2 concept built around bridging into wrapped Bitcoin so transfers can move faster and cheaper when the L1 clogs up. And because range-bound markets punish impatient traders, the utility angle matters. Using Hyper for network fees and staking is positioned as a way to keep liquidity working instead of just sitting idle. The presale traction is the signal here. Early capital tends to flow first into infrastructure that can actually absorb the next wave. And if you're serious about crypto in 2025, you need a secure, flexible, and feature-packed wallet. Best Wallet is our top choice. It's non-custodial, requires no KYC, and is built for both pre-sale hunters and long-term holders. Check it out using the link in the description. Final warning, scammers will spoof pre-sales and wallets, so only use the official link and never trust sponsored lookalikes because the next catalyst won't just move prices, it'll punish anyone who's careless.